Hi, Ashton here at Lancaster Automart A2B. We operate under our parent company, which is Lancaster Honda. Today I'll be showing you this lovely Audi Q5 covered in nice blue color. It's a Quattro S-Line 2-liter diesel manual gearbox engine. Very lovely. To start off with, we've got this automatic headlights with front and rear parking sensors. Got the top right up here. Really lovely. Came off a nice customer. Got this 20-inch alloy wheels, coated in grey, gunmetal grey. Got this sign everywhere. A lovely car. No scratches or anything on the car yet. Can't fault it. Rear parking sensors there. LED tail lamps. Got automatic powered tailgate. Just open it for you. Yo, real lovely. Put it button up there. Under here we got storage space along with the tire repair kit. Some storage space around. Real lovely. You can pull the seats from down here. Goes down there. Yeah, everything works perfectly as it should. Reverse lights down here. All four wheels nicely refurbed. There's no scrubbing or anywhere on these wheels. We got Alcantara leather interior. Lovely. Banks & Olufsen sound system as well. All four automatic windows. We got lumbar support for driver and passenger. So yeah, overall really nice car. We'll jump in and I'll show you the miles in this car. Yeah, all four automatic windows there. You can open your boot from here as well. The wing mirror functions. They're heated and they fold as well. Locking system here. Automatic headlights, like I said. Got front and rear fog lights as well. Shut that down. Multifunction steering wheel. The car's done 130,974 miles. Very lovely. You got here nicely, just turn that off. Shift screen there along with sat nav and DAB, FM. Show you the reverse parking sensors. There we go. Got the parking sensors there, on and off, hill descent mode, climate control. There you go. You can change it as per lock-ins. So yeah, all these functional buttons up here. Not coming on. So yeah, really lovely 6-speed gearbox here. So the car's here with us. We'll leave it minimum 9 months of MOT and service. Get in touch with our sales team to know more about this car. Also, please do like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future uploads from us. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.